Hello friends, good morning. How are you all? Hope all are fine. We are going to see now chapter 1. Chapter 1 Grammar. Chapter 1 The sentence and the phrase. Look at the words given in the boxes below. See the first box. Rohan cricket plays. My aunt is kitchen the cooking in. Birds sky fly the inn. Animal in a tall the giraffe. Now these are the sentences which are jumbled in the boxes. Okay, we have to place them correctly. The words given in the boxes do not make any sense, okay, because they are upside down. So now read the following sentences form after rearranging the above words. Now what first will come? See, Rohan plays cricket. See, subject is first, second verb, and third is object. So likewise we have to arrange the sentences. Second, my aunt is cooking in the kitchen. Third, birds fly in the sky. Fourth, the giraffe is a tall animal. Now these are the correct sentences. Okay. The above groups of words now make sense. Hence such a group of words is a called sentence. If there is no verb, there is no proper sentence, or the sentence is not saying any senses. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. Okay, a sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. So first what will come? First is a subject, second is a verb, and third object. Then only there is a proper meaningful sentence. Note, every sentence will contain a verb. Okay, if there is no verb, the sentence will not make any sense. There should be a verb. Read the following. In the park, on the table, at the crack of dawn, of a great beauty. Such group of words do not make complete sense from the parts of sentence. So this is the this part of sentence should come at the last of the sentence. A group of words makes some sense but not complete sense is a called phrase. Okay, note, a phrase is a group of words that does not have a verb. Okay, the phrase has no verb. Okay, it always comes at the end of the sentence. Exercise 1. Okay, underline the phrase in the following sentence and list out the ones which contains an article. What is mean article? Which are the articles? A, N, and the. Okay, so if there is a the, A, N, it is an article. Now let us see in the first sentence what is the article. Once there lived a couple who spent a lot of time in idle talk. Okay, there are two articles. There are two articles, but one is with article and second is without an article. See the first one which is with an article. A lot of time. What is the article here? Okay, a lot of time. And second sentence is in idle talk, that is without an article. Without an article. See the second one. I do all the housework running after the cows. I do all the housework running after the cows. So there are two articles. All the hard work. First sentence is containing article the. After the cows, there also is a article after the cows. The cows. Okay. See the third one. He picked up a stout stick that stood in a corner and began to swish it through the air and pound it on the floor. So all three phrases are containing article. Containing article. Say, fourth one. All the day before, it had rained heavily. All the day before. It was not possible to postpone the match any further. So this sentence has got phrase, that is any further, but it is not containing with an article. So I have written there without an article. He never plays a selfish game. The phrase is a selfish game. Already there is an article. A defeat stared them in the face. So the phrase is in the face. There is a article. I ate 2 or 3 loaves at a time. The phrase is at a time. At a, there is a article. The city was just half a mile away with the journey that almost full of day. So there are two articles, two phrases, half a mile and a full day. Slowly the big tree tipped and fell with a crash across the ditch. With a crash across the ditch, there are two articles, that is a and the. Once upon a time in faraway country there lived a mother who had 2 daughters. Once upon a time in a faraway country, there are two articles, those are a. It is impossible to find violets in the snow. The phrase is in the snow. Article is the. At last she saw a light in the distance. The phrase is in the distance. Article is the. The scent of violets filled all the cottage. The phrase is all the cottage and the article is the. She ran straight to the top of the mountain. To the top of the mountain there are two articles, that is both are the only. But there was a cold of wind that sent the faded leaves down to the ground. The phrase is to the ground and the article is the. The snow fell in huge masses. There is a phrase, but in the phrase there is no article, so the phrase is without an article. Our story also has three brothers who lived in a small town. The phrase is in a small town. The article is a. The priest greeted him with joy and affection. So the phrase is with joy and affection. It is without an article. I would like to keep a part of it. The phrase is a part of it and the article is a. Anshuman realized the truth in his father's words. In his father's words without an article. A cycle key with a blue keychain has been found in the ground. The phrase is with a blue keychain on the ground. So the two phrases are there. And first article is a and second article is the. Good listeners, look at the speaker. The phrase is at the speaker and the article is the. It can literally open windows on the universe. The phrase is on the universe and the article is the. It is true that the excessive use of science and technology can give rise to certain problems. The article phrase is the excessive use of. The article is the. Textual questions on grammar. From the story Daydreams, find at least 3 phrases each that begins with or include each of the article a and the. See page 66 for more exercises on phrase. Okay, but instead of saying that page number, you can go to the directly on your first poem. Okay, Daydreams. I have written here 3 already sentences. You find out more sentences and you can write it. Let us see the next. Okay. Subject and predicate. Every sentence has 2 parts. The part before the verb is called the subject. The part which has the verb and the words after it is called predicate. Already I have told you, there is always first subject, then verb, then the object, that is predicate. Few people heard the sound. Alexander the Great was the conqueror of Persia. The nightingale sings sweetly. New Delhi is the capital of India. A computer is an electronic instrument. Now there is a subject and predicate. That means the subject which is always beginning of the sentence and the predicate which is always placed at the end of the sentence. Let us see the exercise. I will tell you how to do it. Separate the predicate from the subject in each of the following sentence. Now, who is the subject here? I am going to buy a few cows. Now, I, okay? I is a subject and predicate. That means the rest of the whole part of the sentence is a predicate. I am going. This is the verb. I am going to buy. I am going to buy is a verb. A few cows. Okay. So the rest of the whole sentence is a predicate. So likewise, you have to separate. There are many sentences are given for the exercise. Let us solve it. I do all the hard work running after the cows. I is a predicate. Okay. I is a predicate. Do all the hard work running after the cows. Okay. Running after the cows. I is a subject. Do all the hard work running after the cows is a predicate. Next, I have to drive away your greedy cows. Now, subject is I, predicate is have to do away, have to drive away your greedy cows. Germany had defeated several teams to enter the final against the Indian term. So, Germany, okay, the subject is Germany, had defeated several teams to enter the final against the Indian team. The Indian team was offering an equal strong resistance. The Indian team is a subject and rest of the sentence is predicate. But Dhyanchand was a true soldier. Dhyanchand is a subject, was a true soldier is a predicate. Dhyanchand turned down the offer. Dhyanchand is a subject, turned down the offer is a predicate. I ate 2 or 3 loaves at a time. I is a subject, ate 2 or 3 loaves at a time. I was surprised at their bravery. I is a subject, was surprised at their bravery is a predicate. I am terribly afraid of falling myself. I is a subject and am terribly afraid of falling myself is a predicate. Now there are many sentences. Okay, let us read out the sentences. We will make the attempt. We is a subject. Will make the attempt is a predicate.